And after a few days hiatus, we're back with a little video, and we have a '03 Ford Ranger on the rack today, and we're looking for a vacuum leak. Am I correct?
Yeah, there's a vacuum leak, and what I have to do is I'm going to pull the fender well out and look in there, and the vacuum line goes in there. I think there's a break in there somewhere. So there's no vacuum to the dash, so the defrost, it's stuck on defrost.
So
if it had vacuum in there, it wouldn't be stuck on defrost. It would go through all from the defroster to the feet to the vents that blow in your face.
Oh, okay. So he's not getting AC air.
Yeah,
in the cabin.
Coming out the
defrost. Okay, so which will be a problem in the summer when it gets hot. So we're taking a look at, and we detected a leak earlier with our leak detector.
What'd you say, taking a leak with the leak detector?
No, we detected a leak with a leak detector. I get it, funny. All right, so we're taking the fender well off now to see what's going on with the vacuum line. Right now, he said, what's that?
It'll take a few minutes to get the fender well out.
All right, well, we'll talk. Well, he said a few minutes to get that fender well off. We took the tire off already. He's saying there's no air, only air going to the defrost. AC is blowing to the defrost, so we believe there's a vacuum leak.
What I want to know is if the groundhog saw his shadow.
I think I don't know.
Because I'm tired of this cold weather.
Yeah, it's pretty wild weather. I don't know if the groundhog saw a shadow or not. All right, we're still trying to take the fender well off here. Got a couple different bolts. That's 1, 2, 3. Took one off already. Got 2 more to go. We'll find out vacuum leak. Hopefully, find out what's causing this. It's definitely a leak. You have to have a leak detector. It's a little thing that detects moisture, and we take the moisture in there, and that's where the sucker is going. And we have lights. Let's see. All right, as you can see, the fender will be coming off. That's one of the lines right there.
Now the line's up in here.
Let's get that light.
I might be able to get it.
All right.
I gotta pull these off. Let me see.
Still gotta pull off. See?
Phillips head. 7mm.
7mm and a Phillips head.
That's like an 8 or 10.
So, as we get the rest of the parts, to get the fender well off, see, no job is little sometimes. Anyways, I guess we'll discuss the horrible freaking weather. Cold as hell. And
yeah, I can't wait till summertime.
Yeah, freaking 85 degrees a few days ago. It's freaking 53 today. At least the sun's out. The trick to any quick job is finding the correct sizes you need. Okay. Nope.
8.
They don't use matrix. No, freaking Dodge uses matrix. No, right? Yeah, Dodge uses matrix, don't they?
Oh, they no, all cars use metric now.
All of them do?
Yeah, just about.
I'm behind. What do I know? And we found the right one. Yay!
Standard tools are starting to become a rare item.
Alright, round she goes. Once again, we're looking for a vacuum leak in the line. The one line, the vacuum line, is behind the fender well, so we had to take the wheel off. Now we're taking the fender well off to find out where the leak is. We detect the leak with the moisture detector. I won't call it leak detector anymore, but moisture detector. And the Phillips head. Alright. Still working to get the fender well off. As soon as that, Ted will have a better view of the vacuum line. Is that correct?
Yep.
So the thing, it might need a new vacuum line, is what you're saying?
I think there's a little crack in it. Some of the lines are plastic.
As you can see, this car came up from the north, There's some rust down here. That is from the rock salt. So.
Is it rock salt? I haven't ever been up.
Yeah, it's rock salt to use on the
I
roads.
went to Washington one time.
And the rock salt, you know, it's nasty stuff. If you're not careful, it'll really start rusting out the bottom of your car. You can tell this car came from the north. Look at all that rust. And it came from Virginia, if I remember correctly, right? Virginia?
Yeah, that's what he said.
That's the rust. Are you trying to get out of the way, or?
You might not be able to see it because I'm gonna have to do it by hand. Reach up in there.
So you're gonna do it by feeling?
Yeah.
You know, if it is cracked, you just got to replace the vacuum line. That's it.
Yep.
Any kind of recharge or anything?
No. There it goes.
All right, there we are in there, right there. All right, we got in.
There it is.
We can't see it from our vantage point, but Ted can see. That's all that matters.
Here's the problem.
There it is. Oh, it's not even on. Huh.
Now we gotta figure out where it goes.
All right, the problem has been detected. The vacuum line was detached. So now Ted's going to use his stellar eyesight. I believe it's 15-12 vision.
15-12.
To find out where it goes. And he'll snap it back into place, and hopefully that'll correct the problem. I wonder how that came detached. Just over time. It's right there, everyone. See that little thing dangling down there?
Somebody might have been working on it sometime.
Oh, I forgot to put it back.
Off and never put it back on.
As you see, the vacuum line is just dangling there. And that's the problem. It was not even getting in. So we're going to reattach that vacuum line with Ted's super eyesight and hope that fixes the problem. And we're not going to bore you anymore. We can go offline and see you guys later.